Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good, and first of all, happy Teachers Day. In today's video, we are going to analyze Bank Nifty, and we will also see what patterns we can recognize and do a little bit of brushing on our skills to identify levels and also to mark the candles which show us the reversal along with volumes, and we will also look at some stocks which we can find to add in our portfolio, and I will also show you what kind of positions I'm holding. On Friday, market has actually as per our prediction, it was supposed to open up gap down, and we were able to see that, and we were able to grab some quick profits from that. And after closing the Friday position, I have made another position which is a bullish position, so I will show you those positions as well. And stick to this channel, and please do subscribe and like and share it with your friends, so that I get enough motivation to make more videos and share more knowledge. And one thing I want to remind you that the knowledge which I'm sharing, I have actually spent a lot of money in terms of teaching, in terms of learning from various teachers who are like charging a bomb in the market. And I have learned it from many people. I've done many courses, I've read a lot of books, and I thought I will share this knowledge to people who want to learn. And I'm not going to charge anything for this. This is completely free for you guys to follow. But to learn stock market, it takes really a longer time. You need to have patience, time and money if you are really passionate about it. Most of the people drop out within 6 months. Some people stick around till 1 year, and there are various factors affecting their decision of to be a full-time professional trader. So definitely it is not an easy journey. You have to stick on and have that gut feeling and passion for this market, so that you can stay for long. And once you complete that journey, the rewards are like absolutely beautiful. So you should stick to this if you want to achieve something in your life. Why take only stock markets? You can take this example anywhere. If people like Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a good example. He had that great conviction that he wants to become big in cricket, and he had that skill. So he went after it, leaving everything, leaving after his social security job, and he achieved that. Same goes for Sachin Tendulkar or any sports person who has done this in the past, or any musician who has done in the past, any actor who has done in the past. So what they have, one thing is that they have this conviction and passion that yes, I am going to make it. So you need to have that conviction with you. Only then you will be able to achieve results in anything. If you don't want to do anything special in your life, that's up to you. There are a lot of people like that also, who are happy in whatever they are doing. So it's up to them. So let's get started. So let's go to our Bank Nifty chart. Wait a second, guys. Bank Nifty chart. Yes. So we are on this Bank Nifty chart. As you can see, our trend line is still intact on a monthly time frame. This is a monthly time frame, if you can see. So what do you see here? So we have predicted that when the market crosses above this candle, it is going till this 20 period moving average, and after that, because this is a resistance zone, we can expect a sharp fall from here. So what do you see now happening? This area is at resistance, and the market has already started forming a red candle here. So what can we expect in the month of September? We can expect, if you notice, so this is a zone, this particular zone, because you see this candle. Let me open. So if you see this candle, this is a 50% body candle, and this becomes a zone. as per the concepts what we have learned in the past, you can always identify that a candle which is 50% body and 50% wick, they all form a base. So these are called as base candles. Not bows, base. So these are called base candles, and the bigger body candles are called leg candles. Leg. So entire chart will be of only two candles. One is base candle and another is leg candle. So understand this concept very carefully. Whenever you see a base candle, you can understand that there is a lot of consolidation at this level. So this will become a zone for you where whenever the market touches this zone back, then you can think of taking an entry with a stop loss below this. So this is where a lot of institutional buying has happened. Even here you can apply the same logic, here. So here this is one zone and this is one zone. So the market is coming back into the zone because it's already touched the wick. There is a possibility that it can come down till this zone. Till here we can expect it to come. There is a possibility, but it can stop here as well. We can only predict the market, and we can only expect that it will do follow in this patterns, because we are only trading basis the patterns of the past, and there is a logic to it. So if we go by that logic, market will fall into this zone till the 23,000 or till the 22,000 levels. You can see that. So let's analyze this on a shorter time frame to get a better understanding of the market. So let me put up a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, you can see, let's draw a trend line. So let's take it from the lowest point and touch the bodies. So if we draw a trend line on a weekly basis, this is our trend line, and the market started falling from where? From this zone, which is what? This is 200 period moving average. So we have a simple concept of 20 and 200. So 20, it has taken the support, 200 is the resistance where it has started falling. So follow only these two things. It will be very clear for you. Do not apply too many indicators and too many kinds of moving averages, which will complicate your life a lot. So always follow a simple rule, 200 and 20. These days I'm not even looking at the super trend, which I used to, but this is fine. So here you can see this is a bearish candle. This is a very bearish candle for this week, which has happened. So you can expect the market to open somewhere here on Monday, or you can expect it to open exactly on this line. And if we see any green candle forming here, then it's a good sign for us for the next week. But if it starts to break down, starts coming down, then we can expect to see levels which we have marked on a monthly time frame. Let's do one thing. Let's mark a level on a monthly time frame so that we can use it for our analysis in the shorter time frame. So 21,742, and I will mark another zone which is from this. Okay, so let's change the color here. Let's make it a little bold color so that we can recognize it. Okay, so we have this color on a monthly time frame. Now observe this. I'm going to a weekly time frame now. So observe this now, we are on a weekly time frame and you can see it has entered into the zone, and where is our bottom of the zone is 21,749. So you can expect the market, when I say market, it is Bank Nifty. You can expect the Bank Nifty to be in this zone for quite some time. It can be here and then either it can break upside or it can break downside. So we will see what is going to happen on a further shorter time frame. Let's go to daily chart. So now we are on a daily chart. So if you have noticed, this was a big engulfing which happened with this bar from the 200 period moving average again on this time frame, and the support is the rising 20. So till here we were expecting, this was very unclear which direction the market goes, but as per our setup, this is called as bear 180 setup for us, where the green candle is completely taken over by a red candle. So we know that it might retrace up to 25% or even up to 50% at times and then falls from there. But here we can see I expected after this candle that market will either gap down or it can open here, but luckily I got this movement, which is a very good drop here, and I booked profits here and exited and created a new position, which is a bullish position right now, which I'm holding because I'm expecting the market to be in this zone for a few more days. So let's see how it happens. But if that doesn't hold, then we can expect the fall till this levels. So this is on a daily time frame. Now let's analyze how the market was on Friday. So Bank Nifty opened low, then went further low on this candle, and this is one of the setups which we follow, which is way away from 20 period moving average. If you see a bottoming tail bar forming, you can go long with your stop loss below this. So it went up, but there was a resistance at this level. It retraced back from this level, and whole day the market was in the range, and the second attempt was made because it was taking a support at 20, and then it went till here, which was the level where there is a resistance, previous resistance, this level, and from there again there was a sharp fall. So if you notice, market always makes a pattern. First half of the day, if it creates a low and if it doesn't break whole day, then this low was broken at around 3 o'clock. What time was this? Around 2:45. It tried to break this level, but again no, it couldn't break it. So we can see it rallied from there. Again it is in because there's a lot of selling pressure here and there is buying pressure here. So what will the market do? It will go touch this level, this level, this level, this level. So it is going to stay here for some time. So let's see, I am expecting this on a higher time frame. If I see on a daily time frame, so this candle is not giving me any direction as of now. We have to wait and watch how Monday will be. If Monday we expect a little bounce from here, and if it goes till here, this moving average will be like this on Monday. So if it goes back till here, then we can expect a further drop if it gets rejected at this level. If it breaks this level, then we can expect the market to stay between these two moving averages, caught up for some few more days like this. It will be going up like this and like this, and then it can give a breakout. If things go all well, then it can give a breakout from here. If not, it can break down also. So that is on Bank Nifty. So let's go and scout for some stocks which we can carry for next week. Let's go to our charting and start analyzing those stocks. We go to scans. Where is my super trend monthly? So I didn't change the name here, is it? I have to change the name. Yes. So this is weekly now. So we have to save this as trend weekly. Let me do it right now. Okay. So what do we have here? We have future segment, and we have these two stocks. Weekly close crossed above weekly super trend 14.2. Indigo and UBL. So let's see Indigo chart. Indigo is about 20, rising 20. Price is above 200, which is a good sign, and it has retraced. This bar has formed, but there is no heavy volume here, so we can't say that this is a reversal, so we can't go short here. So mind it, this is definitely, we have to watch. If we get any good green candle crossing these levels, then it's definitely a long entry for us. Right now it might be a little sluggish and stay here for some time because the overall market is in a sideways zone, but yes, you can add it in your portfolio basis these conditions. You can accumulate a little quantity here and little quantity here, and if it doesn't break, moves up, then you can add further quantity upon this breakout. So UBL, I don't see let's check that also. UBL looks very bullish, so it's a very good catch if you want to trade this stock. I usually don't trade liquor stocks, but you can if you want to. So on Monday you can expect a candle like this, which will take out the high of this two candles. This is a formation: strong bar, then a pullback, then a strong bar taking this high. So you can definitely expect a bigger run from this on a long-term basis. So this is still in a good uptrend, moving in a channel. So we have to wait for this channel to get taken out. Okay, so only two stocks we have good for this week. UBL you can definitely trade if you want to trade this and add it in your portfolio. So how are the positions for me this week? Let me just show you. I am holding this position right now, which is Bank Nifty. So this is my position right now, where I have created a range with two butterflies, 1-to-1 butterflies, one on the upside, one on the downside. So my maximum profit and maximum loss, as you can see, maximum loss is 6,575, maximum profit is 8,425. So this is what we are expecting from this. Let's see how it opens, and if it breaks this side, then we have to make certain adjustments and close few positions and change the direction of this. But right now I'm not willing to change too much on this. So we have a good range of about 22763 to 23637, close to a 1000 plus points range. Let me tell you exactly what it is. So it's a 874 point range between these two legs. I'm expecting a little positive and the market to move here. so that I can book some profit and get out of this. Or if till expiry, if it stays here, we are going to make this money. My initial position was bullish, but since the market went down, I created a bearish position also, so that I don't lose in both the scenarios. Okay, so that's it for this week, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. So please do subscribe to this channel and click on the like button and motivate me by your comments. Thank you so much for watching.